Today's video was all about the scrunching method. Here I am showing you the products that I love to use, and today I'll be going in with Treseme's Moisture Rich Conditioner. So I'm starting off with a wavy bundle and I'm getting it wet using warm water. You always want to start with warm water because this is a great way to open up the hair cuticles. Now you always want to apply shampoo or conditioner in a downward motion like I am doing here. This is where I begin the scrunching method. The scrunching method is important whenever it comes to enhancing the curls in your raw waves or raw curly hair. Simply grab the hair by its ends and begin scrunching upwards. Again, this is a great way to enhance your raw Indian waves or curls. If you were to avoid doing the scrunching method, this is what you could receive: straight and not so poppin' waves. However, when you go back in with the scrunching method, you can see that your waves are back. Here I am showing you the scrunching method once more in slow motion. Grab the hair by its ends and begin scrunching upwards. This is something you're going to want to do while the hair has conditioner in it and after you've rinsed the conditioner out. Now you guys know I swear by my Denman brush, however it just does not enhance the curls or waves the way the scrunching method does. If you are to go in with your Denman brush, please do not forget to scrunch your hair afterwards. This again will enhance your curls or waves. When it comes to rinsing out the conditioner in your bundles, always go in with cold water. Cold water seals the cuticles as well as helps retain moisture in your bundles. Here's a quick comparison of the same bundle when doing the scrunching method and when just going through it with my Denman brush. One thing about raw hair is that the things that you do to it, the products that you use, and how you care for it will all have an effect on the end result. As you can see on the left hand side, the waves are popping, whereas on the right, they're kind of just straight and dull. But when I go in with the scrunching method, the waves are back and they are popping.